I have made over $60 within a week from this Sui Bison app. And I've dropped the link for you guys, but I see that a lot of people are still confused on how to go about it. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can also do the same, how you can get registered on this Sui Bison app, how you can also make as much money as possible from it. So all you simply have to do is stick with me and pay full attention. Now, Sui Bison app is a project that is launched on the Sui blockchain, and they reward you basically for doing almost nothing. All you simply have to do is deposit some amount of Sui, and then you start getting rewards just like an investment. But aside that, they have their own native token also. If you come to this token section on the app, you can see they have their own native token, Sui Bison here, which is going to be launched in the first quarters of this year 2025. So between January and I think April or May, we should be expecting this project, this Sui Bison, to get listed, and you can make money from it also. So in other words, I can compare this Sui Bison to Waves project, because Waves is not yet listed, but we are still making money on Waves. So they function almost the same way. Now back to how I was able to make $60 within a week by simply registering on this project. First of all, this is the app. This is the mini app on my screen here. As you can see, it is on Telegram. Now, if you want to get registered, all you simply have to do is to check the description box of this video. There is a link there. Once you get registered, the first thing you want to do is to deposit a minimum of 1 SUI. But I'm going to advise you to deposit 1.2 SUI for, gas fees and the like, so that when you deposit, you're going to be getting exactly 1 or 1.1 or 1.15 SUI on this your Sui Bison mini app. Now, after you deposit, you are going to be earning 1% of your deposit. Now, if you want to enjoy this project, I highly recommend you deposit minimum of $50. That is if you want to enjoy this project very well. But for a startup, you can deposit just 1 SUI, and you're going to be earning 1% of your deposit for 5 days. Now, after 5 days, your earnings is going to increase by 0.5. So you now start earning 1.5% of your deposit. Now, after another 5 days again, your earnings is going to increase, and then it is maximum. It will be maximum of 4%. So you'll be earning 4% for 100 days. As you can see on my own screen, my own earnings is currently 2%. So very soon it's going to increase to 4%. And when it increases to 4%, I'll be earning 4% of my deposit for 100 days. And then I'll not have to start over again. Depositing is very easy. All you simply have to do is to click this your deposit button here on this page. An address is going to be generated for you. You click on it. You go to any exchange of your choice. You can purchase SUI from Bybit, or you can also purchase from BitGet, and then you send directly to this page. Or you can purchase from any vendor that you trust. If you don't have a vendor and you want to purchase from me, for instance, you can join my Telegram channel with the link in the description box of this video. And then my WhatsApp contact is pinned in that group. You can pick it from there, chat me up, and purchase your SUI. All you simply have to do is to now copy this your address here, deposit this your SUI. After depositing, you click on initialize stake. As I'm clicking on it now, it is going to write something like error, because I have not deposited. You can see it's writing error because I am not depositing now. I've already made a deposit before. But aside that, after you deposit, you click on initialize stake, and once you click on it, you will automatically start earning 1% of your income. Now, a lot of you might want to ask, what is the minimum withdrawal on this platform? The minimum withdrawal is 1 SUI. Once you get 1 SUI, you withdraw. The withdrawal structure, there is a structure in which you are going to withdraw your earnings. As I'm dropping this update, make sure you are taking action. Don't fade it. As about a month ago, SUI was just $3.2 as at a month ago. But now, SUI is trading at $5.1 and $5.2. It is fluctuating, going up and down. And according to recent predictions, we're expecting it to get to about $8 or $10. So I don't know, if you don't have money to purchase SUI, it is very good you start earning SUI. At least this project is giving SUI. I have not converted any of my SUI since I have been withdrawing. All I've been doing is withdrawing it into my wallet, because I solely believe that SUI is going to go high in price, maybe $8 or lucky enough $10 this year. So make sure you start accumulating SUI if you don't have money to purchase. Now, to withdraw SUI on this platform, it is pretty easy, very easy. All you simply have to do is make sure you have accumulated a minimum of 1 SUI, and to check that, you look at below your screen here. It is going to show there. As you can see, my own is currently 0 SUI. That is because I have withdrawn the one that I have on it. But assuming I have a balance now, it's going to be displaying. So if you have 1 SUI, all you simply have to do is to click on the withdraw button, and then they'll show you the amount you want to withdraw. You click on continue, and then you put in your address, your wallet address. Now you can deposit to either your trust wallet or any decentralized wallet address that you have. You can go and create an SUI wallet if you do not have a wallet already. So withdrawal shouldn't be a hard thing, and they pay you. Once you click on withdrawal, within 3 minutes, it is going to arrive in your wallet. But there is a structure for this withdrawal, because these people have their tokens also. They have their native token, which I have showed you. If I come to this token here, they have their native token. And as you can see, there is no special way of earning this. So the way you earn this token is, once you place your withdrawal, they'll send you only 60% of what you withdraw. The remaining 40% is going to be divided into 2. 20% will be converted into is Sui Bison for you, which I have already told you is going to be listing in the first quarters of this year. Now, the remaining 20% is going to be deposited into this your stake balance. So this your stake balance is going to keep increasing. So for every withdrawal you make, they give you 60%, 20% is deposited here, and then the remaining 20% is used to purchase this Sui Bison for you. And that is basically the basics of this project. Now, the other important thing again is that they have rank. Yes, they have rank here that you can increase your rank. And as you can see, currently, I do not have any rank. I'm going to show you how you can earn if you want to get rank on this platform. Now, there is a earning structure for those that have ranks, and as you can see on my screen here, there are a lot of ranks here, ranging from leader to Bison King, Bison Hon, accumulator, and then the highest here is Supreme Bison. Now, for you to be able to get a rank, you need to deposit $50 minimum, as you can see on my screen here. $50 for this leader side. You deposit $50, and then you must have referred at least 3 people. I don't think referral should be that difficult. At least you should be able to convince some of your friends to join. That is if you want to get to the leaderboard of this. Now, after you refer that 3 people and you have deposited minimum of $50, you need to have a team volume of $1,000. As you can see, my team total volume here is $978. It's not up to $1,000. I'll start working on that today so that I'll get to $1,000, and then I'm going to deposit here to, complete my distance so that at least I'll be in this first rank. Now, there are many benefits to this rank. If I get to leader, for instance, I'm going to be paid $25 every week, and it's a special bonus separate from what I am earning on this platform here. So I'm going to be paid $25 every week for doing nothing, just for being in the leader category. And if I also want to go up again and increase my rank to something like Bison King, then I need a total team volume of $5,000, and then my deposit should be $100, and I should have referred 5 people, and then the list go on and on and on, just as you can see on my screen here, depending on the rank you want. And that is basically it. Earning on this platform is simple. Now, a lot of you might want to argue that, oh, I need referral before I'm earning, before I do. No. Your earnings is not dependent on referral. Your earnings is dependent on the amount you are able to deposit here. Anything referral here are just extras. They are just extra bonuses that you get. Of course, people that are able to refer are going to benefit. So if you want to benefit, you too try and refer people. But if you do not refer, if you decide not to refer, you can still earn. And just like I've said, try and deposit something like $50. If you deposit that, you are going to be earning $2 every day. That is aside other bonuses that this platform has to offer. So because I don't want this video to be long, I won't want to dwell on this much again. I have given you the basics of how this platform works. All you simply have to do now is to pick the link in the description box of this video, register, deposit your SUI, and start earning. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video.